What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Aviators. Well, we're working on the Luscombe again today, and got some really cool things. I mean, this thing's just got really cool details that you just wouldn't see in an airplane these days. And I'm gonna show you some of it real quick. So I was goofing around with the gas cap, and I'll find a picture of this when I started. But check that out. This is the air vent for the gas cap, and it was like black and green and all ugly and gnarly. And so I started rubbing on it with polish, and look at that. Isn't that cool? Somebody actually brazed on a piece of copper engraved forward on it. It's just cool. This thing has other like just really epic cool things on it, you know, like the drum brakes, the air generator. Hey, let me show you the almost finished interior. I got to do some painting. I got to engrave some placards. I've got to get the seats put in. I still haven't gotten those from the upholsterer. So I've got some stuff I got to do, but I'm getting really close. This thing's going to have wings on it in the next couple of weeks, and then it's going to be, you know, get the engine, see what kind of shape it's in. I still don't know. You know, I've never even sat in this airplane. Isn't that weird? I don't know why. When it had the Elvis seats in it, I should have like hopped in and taken a selfie. But all right, well here's a quick update on the interior. Okay, so I showed you the floors before. Got the rest of this detailed and painted again. Got the battery box back in and all wired up, all new wires. Ugh. Huh. We can't have that. Now that is more like it. Matches the front. I know I said I wasn't going to do any more of this wood, but it, you know, it just finished it out. That gray piece of whatever it is, I just thought it should all be finished. Now, incidentally, this is all going to be covered. You'll never see back here unless you pull the seats forward and put your baggage back here. I wanted it to have a finished look. So anyways, everything's done in here now. I'm in the process of fabricating the panel where the new instruments are going to go right there. I'm going to paint the battery box, and beyond that, I'm el finito on the interior. Now I have the cover for this area right here, and the only other thing I have to do is take acetone and get rid of all these placards and make new placards, and I'm going to engrave those out of polished aluminum. So it's going to look really cool. But anyways, that's a quick update. All right, so what do I got left? I've got obviously the upholstery, or the seats have to go in, and then I'm going to tear into the engine. I've got to do some more detail work and, you know, get the instrument panel looking perfect and get the rest of the interior painted. That's like a day kind of thing. Then I'm going to engrave a bunch of placards that are going to be just cool. And I bought a new like laser etching machine. I'll probably burn off my finger. It's gonna be cool. Then we're gonna tow it over to the shop, and the IA is gonna do the annual on it, get the engine running. I'm gonna help him do that, get the wings put on. I'm gonna leave the wings off until like the very end, almost till it's ready to fly. And then let's see, what else? Exterior is pretty much done. Got to get some new antennas. One for the transponder, one for the radio, and the ELT is going to go in the back. So that'll be cool to get that done. And then it's, I think we're actually going to fly this thing. So I'm excited. I'm close. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or sell it or what, but I don't really need 3 airplanes, and this one really doesn't fill a mission for me other than just it looks really cool and I like looking at it. And I don't have a lot of money invested in this, so it's not like it needs to move. So I don't know. Why don't you guys comment? Tell me what I ought to do with it. Anyways, all right. Well, if you like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, comment. Till next time.